All right, well, I'm redoing the YouTube channel logo on the side of the bike. Changed the font to a more rounded text. When I'd wipe the bike down, the rags would get hung on that, but yeah, it's good. And due to some age, this is a little bit different color than this from Fade. So we'll be redoing this with a new one. My beautiful bride's able to cut all these out. This is carbon fiber vinyl, as you can see. Pretty sharp look. Let's get to stripping this bottom one off. All right. Removal. This tool is kind of easy. It's a plastic, it's actually one of our scrapbooking tools. I'll just take this off. Real easy. Doesn't scratch the paint. A lot of people ask, is this vinyl easy to come off? No. It's this has been on here for a couple years, and once it's stuck down, it doesn't come off. Easy anyway. So obviously using a plastic scraper, it won't scratch this. It's leaving some glue on here, but we'll get that off. We'll just work this off easy. Like such. So if you need some of these made, hit me up. We can work a deal. Again, very easy to put on. There's nothing wrong with these. They definitely were not peeling up, but with me replacing the top one with a easier to read font, I wanted to go ahead and update so the colors would match. So, and I have in-house person that can make these. So. Okay. Now, Windex. Any residual glue just wipes right off. Let that dry. And we'll peel this right off like this. This is transfer paper. If you can see that. Okay, I've got my ideas where I want this. We use the top of the letters to line up here to make sure it's all straight. I want about 2 inches from this end of the bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stab that right there. And that's about 2 inches. Once you haven't really stuck it down all the way, it's easy just to pull back off. We'll slide it over just a hair. Okay, so that's 3 and that's 3. So 3 is just what I was meaning. Sorry, I said 2. So let's do this. Obviously, want to keep this level, not follow the contour of the bag. So that looks pretty good. It's about in. inch and a half, inch and a half. Yep, so lower, yep, so that's straight. So we'll run this up here. All right. Peel this off slowly at an angle. And there you go. Let's take a look. Be sure to check out My Glad Rides on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. There you go. Go to the other side.
My Glad